Stores. Feminism plus! What does it mean to exist? You know, Google image it. That's it. That's a good question. And today we're going to talk about us because, you know, oh boy. We need more men talking about racism, just like we need more white people talking about burping and, you know, and like racism. You know, you know what? No. Buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. You got another thing coming, buddy. You know?